Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. N'ụbọchị nke taa asị m ka m bịa ka m kọwatara unu based on my own experience, ọ bụrụ onye chọrọ lose weight without having to change too much of their diet with regards to ị na-eri ụmụ ihe garri, fufu na ndị otu ya yotago, mostly our local African dishes and ndị ọzọkwa dị iche iche yotago ya ka nsị ka nkọwatara mana most of the thing m ga-ekwu today or ihe niile m na-ekwu taa bụ just based on my own research, my personal experiences and experience ndị ọzọkwa m na-guide kwa the few people who I don't guide on this journey. So mana ihe ọwụla ga-anụkwa from me ọ ga-adịkwa mma ka ị consult kwa your doctor. Enweghị anything m na-ekwu purely entertainment and for ihe mmụta. Enweghị any medical advice m na-enye. So ịnụcha from me, you do your own research. Ihe ọla mụwa na-ekwu anamasị gị eme any clinical research or anything. So agamasị gị na ya bụ the final say yọtara. So ọ ga-adị mma ka gị nwa jisikwa ike mekwa your own research, consult kwa your doctor. Yotago. So when it comes to weight loss, I'm even one popular belief which is all about calorie in, calorie out. But then the concept of weight loss goes beyond calorie in, calorie out. Yotago. So now this brings me to this aspect of, as in, for example, all need the 100 calories of donut, for example, or pizza, and then 100 calories from olive oil, for example, which is fat. So the effect of these two foods na ahụ agabu the same thing. So him na chikuna calorie is not calorie nini na abu ofu so as you go na no na ewuro tishi buru oyi lile na n'ụwa ngo. So the impact agabu the same thing with ebe graga ga were nidika donut, pizza, bread na ndị oti ya na ata yotago. So him na chukoni na the focus may lose weight ekwesiwo on calories or you reduce nini or you need nni obere yotago obo ya with the focus. E were ihe mere no mgbe mu nwa gain the weight, e were ihe mere nim ji gain weight, which is mostly the same for most people. Ihe awe a hormonal issue. Yotago owoge caloric imbalance yotago or a hormonal issue. So equally see from the perspective of effects the hormones they responsible for weight loss and weight gain yotago. So at least number one in the forefront we could see insulin yotago, leptin. So now, like I said, mecha here, ilecha video again, you can make your own research further. So now, more easily, your insulin level na spike, yotago. So once your insulin level spike, your body will store fat, yotago. So all normal, our body is very intelligent. You just store your that fat for the days where we say yotago, it will now survive on that fat, which is why, let's say na lokroge somewhere inside the house without food or anything, in again under 5 days yotago, your body will be feeding on something. Your ahogi gonna feed on those fats stored away for years or days or weeks. Yotago on your body gonna feed on. So many imagine again what Jizaka strategically Tizio name those practices to get help with your body. Go we can tap into that fat storage inner storage over time. So now being a rini, okay, from the aspect of calorie deficit, calorie in, calorie out now. So being a rini, ozugbo let's say na iwetere nni bụ na ihe na calculate oke iri nni bụ a total of 2000 calories in one day, right? But then nni na gi spread ya every hour throughout the day. Ị na-eri nni regularly, rie breakfast, girikwa again even before your lunch, and then in between maybe your lunch and your dinner, irikwa again. You have to spread that your 2000 calories you have to go throughout the day. You kept your insulin busy. That hormone, it keep you busy throughout the day, which means organ store energy, na store. But imagine na iwere nini na the best practice bụ na iwere nini na rie ya all at once. Or ni kere into tea, rie ya once. I mean, rie ya 2 times. You have to go. So bahiriri ya once your body, your insulin level after a few hours, you have to go. Oga bad. And no baho badara. Wo mgbe ị na-enye ya the time ibido burn fat. So the focus here is how do you get your insulin level low? So when you think weight loss, you think how do you keep your insulin level low? Can you get me to keep your insulin level low? Can your body make it tap into those fats and store it away? Because the moment you eat it, your body now may focus na near it. Your source of energy. Yeah, happen. All those ones are stored away. So many imagine in eating all the time, every day, especially go on away. Iman otaiche nowadays. Eat again a snack throughout the day. Kezimbe a hogging with the chance. Iji bono in their stored away. So oya koji bruna, intermittent fasting is very important no matter the type of ni ineri. So now this brings me to a few things inediri ime ma ọ bụrụ na ihe actually lose weight, but it change your diet, maybe keto diet or low carb diet, or like more than a lifestyle, more him so the keto lifestyle, which is mostly low carb, low carb foods. I eat and I don't skip carbs now and I'm steady, but more changes the source of carbohydrate. You got tawa bread, tawa donuts and a pizza. No, I don't do that. So more or vegetables, I can share with my carbohydrates. You go, mostly cauliflower, broccoli. So I can share with my carbohydrates. So the thing we matter these basics now, then you know how to tweak them. So now actually neri garege yam na ndioti ya. So ihe ga-emebo at least I get the shake cut out. Number 1, all processed foods. Cut out totally. Half of processed foods. Can include my milk go, my Milo na ndioti ya, all those cereals, cornflakes, happen in there. Ya bugon no ya with the sacrifice again, then focus on garege. Yotago. And then these are organic foods. Yotago, mbo, gari, and ofani, hainishi, yotare. And they are all organic foods. But in here maybe most of the time we hear the energy no tajeshi, yotare. So in here aina fry with all those healthy vegetable oil. So and the market in India has healthy oil, but you need to make can avoid. Count number 2, avoid frying of those things. You have to go, share or mia, only with air fryer, with air fryer, you got frying we in there without oil. So then another one with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting bụ ihe ga-enyere gị aka. So by now you decide is na ga na-eri naanị organic, organic carbohydrates. You have to go on top of now organic carbohydrates in the right way. You have to go half in eti ihe maggi and all these unhealthy spices. You have to go ishie ya irie ya ishie here, that number one imete your form by iri organic carbohydrate. You have to go then gauge shikwa n'ike mezie the fasting. So mgbe anyị riri nke anyị riri n'ụtụtụ, then erila no snacking, a snack na in between meals. Eyotago a snack na iri nke ụtụtụ ahụ ma ọ na-iwe anyị na-eri n'ụtụtụ, then mgbe ọzọ ga-erizi ga-awụzi in the afternoon. Eyotago hapụ fruits kwa another thing ị ga-hapụ fruits aka totally, leave them alone, just focus on ndị ahụ ị na-eshi, hapụ fruits totally. Eyotago. So whatever you feel whatever nutrient you feel in within a fruit, check ya, do your research, get also go with there. Eyotago. So because fruits contain fructose and that I don't want to actually maybe about into details now, but then all contain the fructose which ahogi any the chaya. Eyotago ahogi any the chaya, which means I wanna you can separate being at that fruit, you get separating here. So I can manage half here. Half year totally got your able all those other nutrients in the fruits, of which you can still get them from anywhere, if at all anywhere in there that you can get from all those other organic foods in it. I'm just renewing. So yeah, organic foods, intermittent fasting, half of processed foods. Yeah. So but Bahina ne assuming that the last time you did in Nebu 5 or 6, not the last time you did in. So from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. that's 6 hours fasting already. From 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. that's 12. I mean from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. that's 12 hours fasting. Then from 12 a.m. eating new total to 12 p.m. that's about 18 hours fasting. So you break your fasting down really near and you have organic food, and because EMG organic food the impact the effect of this organic carbohydrates in our raw abroad the same thing with ebe granata pizza and dotia. Nata, donut, burger, akara, with oil and all those things. Aburo the same thing. So ihe ndị ahụ ihe need to avoid. Yeah, so when you can hear jima akara the organic, but then she prepare the unhealthy, like even if you potato na lose weight a year but potato she and fry with air fryer. But the moment you fry with oil, you till all these other spices, away waiting again lose. Yotago. So now see the way this so in there he need to put into consideration is she this organic carbohydrates, proteins and antioxidants, is she in a very healthy way. So yeah, ime hana yuta ega hold the result. So the result will make ogade maybe depending on your body system and how far and how far in a asala the thing with in a really steady on around the clock. Okay, in there gets such he gave me affect the result. So weight loss is one about when you eat and what you eat. So in terms of what you eat now, here just suggest kwanuka aneri me preferably oga kama ni low carb and high protein and high fat, or moderate protein and high fat. But I will get onye ola na emeli ya, because so many people are go used to those our traditional foods. So the best thing to do na give focus is on the aspect of when you eat, which is intermittent fasting. So reduce how often you eat. Reduce you make it cut down, you will be fine. Oga solve, like fasting we are with the key, no matter the diet in me. Fasting we are with the key, because all fasting we get help. We get help, we your body the chance to recover from a lot of things. It change and heal a lot of things in your body. So if you lose weight, need carbohydrates and duty, you need to be fasting. On top of that fasting, you need only organic carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Half processed foods at least. Happen in India. But then we're going to pre-diabetic or other diabetes. And need that you need to cut down, sugar intake totally, even if you bring it down to zero, carbohydrates you need to but you want to feed the totally healthy. So the key we need to fix the hormonal issues, and you can only fix it with fasting and a cut of processed foods. Once you fix the hormonal issues by make your insulin level now the low most of the time, your again weight again, go fit gain weight is from there. For example, more now, and I may exercise for abs and I may. So because since remember on my own weight loss journey, my 6 packs are my abs are visible. So since then, I say okay, I'm otumgeji, keep all my abs visible with nutrition. So, and that's what I've been doing. So now I'm more to this week in Kenge the effect, again on the visibility of my abs. We him mega. Just to get used to it. Achomo, because I'm exercising now, as in for abs exercise. Agamama, the actual effect, with the effect on him, because more can a lot of things, so far. So, and I can tell you that I maintain my abs just through nutrition, no abs exercises. And I may go. I met to Bolomia before as in Ogembudro gym or for metria, but my back was say. So that mutakwa no tumgeshi maintain no here, because I will exercise pota in the first place. Some can focus on a master otumgeshi with my nutrition, maintain no abs they are more visible, or they at this point or they maintain no here. And it's all about nutrition. Nutrition the powerful. We give here all those weight loss supplements for disappear. No, weight loss supplements are so any weight loss supplement weight loss supplements get help again to fix all those hormonal issues, which means overall now go too much. Yes, and no get help to fix that hormone that means fasting. So everything still boils down to ni and no. So all we need the most important thing. So I'm hoping that this video will help somebody out there. Imike may embark on, on this health and wellness journey, realize a very good result. Yes, odiro easy. Ega low carb odiro easy, but I'm not the more effective. But then mokwe go mume ihe ndị am gwara gị now the main thing ị ga-eme, and ọ ga-work. It might take longer depending on your body system, but ọ ga-work. Ọ ka mma ebe ọ na-enwe ihe na-eme at all. Etina the fasting na-ara ahụ, ọ nacha ara ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-eri low carb, ọ ga-ara ahụ your body a change, yotago, because ị na-eri low carb, high fat and protein, the hunger will disappear very easily. Agụ agazikwa na agụ gị. But ị ka na-erikwa normal, carbohydrates in there. Yes, the agụ when ike na-agụkwa go, but eventually you get used to it. Especially ma ọ bụrụ na ị cut off all those processed foods, it will disappear. Eventually you get used to the fasting. That's the only way. You don't need to count calories. You need to reduce the portion of food you need. You need those things. Because being a fasting, your growth hormones and other hormones na be high, which means your body can decide a burn any amount of carb. Because after and then give me long hour fasting, but your body did it through within the ya tap was it from that fat. And then it can decide to burn any amount of calories you needed, because so many hormones they high. Your growth hormones now they high when you're fasting, which is why when you're in a gym in fasted mode, you get build muscle faster. So imagine you mega fasting, me gym, yotago. That your body can just all those hormones get dizzy high, your metabolic rate ga rise. Yotago. So but then all you need in calorie deficit. Yeah, you need calorie deficit method where you lose weight. But eventually your body would want to compensate, reduces your metabolic rate. To compensate, which means that amount of food manage to lose weight. You need this to reduce required more. So how long can you reduce weight? Whereas you could just focus on fix the hormones by in fasting, and then the body will take care of the rest. That's all. So by your body mawana niga abata adequate amount of food gabata. Yotago. Or the necessary gabata within 24 hours, or no gabata within 6 hours. Your body doesn't know that. In your body manawona on my hindi meaning you reduce your calorie intake, eventually you reduce the metabolic rate of your body system on your game. And the when you jeme, let's say you reduce that calorie intake, and then you throughout steady, but you confidence in needing takere. You have to go throughout the day. You keep your insulin level high, steady. Even the conflict, so organ store fat, organ store. But then due to it reduces your calorie, can you get to compensate in here as in that confusion that will reduce that BMI. Reduce it. So I may not be able to explain it well. I want more doctor, but him get an idea on how this thing works from my own understanding. Him name and I work around a few people and you go na kowata kwa hemi kwa ya work or yotara. So I can just say fasting with the key. Fasting oya with the key. Oya with the key. No matter the diet. Once you add fasting to it, you are good. So because like this video, share it, and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any question, get your thank you for watching this video. Onye nwa igba gị ume. Thank you.